डेफिनेशन 3 देखते हैं. E and F are be the two events associated with the same random experiment, then E and F are said to be independent if E intersection F P of E into P of F. Remark at two events E and F are said to be dependent if they are not independent. That is E dash intersection F P of E into P of F. Two independent events having non-zero properties probabilities of occurrence can be mutually exclusive, or conversely that is mutually exclusive event having non-zero probabilities of occurrence that can be independent. Two experiments are said to be independent if for every pair of events E and F where E is associated with the first experiment and F is associated with second experiment, the probability of simultaneous occurrence of the event E and F calculated separated on the basis of two experiments, that is P E intersection F P of E into P of F. Mutually event cannot be occur simultaneously. Next है, there are three events A, B and C are said to be mutual independent जब P of A into B intersection P of A intersection A into C, P of B intersection B into C और P of A intersection B intersection C, P of A into B into C. ये true होगा. Independent event can be common outcome. A mutual exclusive we cannot have common outcome. For independent event P of A intersection B, P of A into B, P of A not equal to 0, B not equal to 0, where a real number and A and B are mutual exclusive. एंड म्यूचुअल एक्सक्लूसिव P of A नॉट इक्वल टू 0, P of B नॉट इक्वल टू 0, यानी प्रोबेबिलिटी A जो है वो इक्वल नहीं होगा 0 के और B भी नहीं होगा. A एंड B P of A इंटू P of B और सम कुछ आएगा, not be independent event. Hence independent event and mutual exclusive event both are different. ये दोनों different होते हैं. नेक्स्ट वीडियो से हम बेस थ्योरम देखते हैं.